My name is Paranjit Kaur. My student ID 304181155. Today I am going to discuss about what are the requirements for the RTM and external interface. Further, I am going to discuss different types of test cases, testing documentation, and Gantt chart. Firstly, starting from the requirement traceability matrix, which is slide 11, it shows we needed three types of columns, which are description, test case ID, and status. Description gives the information in short detail, whereas test case ID gives a particular identity number. Second one, I talk about external interface requirements. It consists of six particular requirements, which are guidebook, wireless network, user interface, web server, database, operating system. Third one, I talk about test case, slide number 13. It shows various test cases starting with login and lock off security. Firstly, login. When a user just start the application to perform it tasks, they have to log on to the system. Log off after completing the tasks, a user will log off the system. Selecting role. The user can select roles from the multiple rules provided or existing in the database. Registered competitors by section and group registered. The system will allow users or competitors to register. Groups or schools can also register, and competitors can also register into the system by section. Import data from the guidebook. Information and data will be imported from the guidebook. Report printing. The information or data of the system can be printed when the system faces issues or goes down. Change password. The user of the online backstage management system will be able to change passwords. Backup data. The system will have backup data so that the loss of data can be reduced when the system faces any errors. Restore. If the data has been lost because of system errors or goes down, then the administrator can restore the lost data. Configure screens. Different screens can be displayed to the user as per the requirements. Enter results. The results will be recorded or entered. Update section information. The sales manager will be able to update the section information of competitors as per the competitors' requirements. Move competitors sections. When a competitor applies or requests us to move to a different section, then the sales manager can change or move the competitor to a different section. Show competitor information. The user can access the information about competitors. Debating will allow competitors to debate on a specific topic. TV display. The information or data can be converted or transferred and will be displayed on a TV. Security. The system will provide security to user accounts as it has two security layers. Last one, I talk about testing documentation. The online backstage management system is developed with the use of Java programming language and various technologies that will perform or complete the functionalities of the system by working together. Some of these technologies or tools are Java, JSP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, MySQL, Jasper Reports, Ajax. First, I talk about Java. Data between pages will be extracted by Java as it uses various classes. The interaction between and the database and front end or use interface is handled by it. When there is a need to access the database, and the classes of Java will call the database, and appropriate values will be retrieved. Costa 2020-22. JSP Java Server Page is the technology of the Java programming language. JSP used for embedding Java in HTML, XML, or any other document type according to the user or client request response. Java Server Page is featured at the front end of the stage application system. As the Java Server Page is converted into an HTML document, the user will interact with JSP. After that, HTML, JavaScript, MySQL, Jasper Reports, and Ajax. Ajax Java server pay user XML HTTP requests for reloading a part of a document as per the user's requirement. It creates a faster load time for displaying updated data and pages. Pankaj 2022. And the last one I talk about Gantt chart. Gantt chart slide number 15 depicts the Gantt chart is a project management tool that visually represents the scheduling and progress of tasks over time. It provides horizontal bar chart that displays the start and end date of each task along with the duration. Thank you.